Hi everyone, have you ever wondered what it would be like to build an AI integrated app? Let me show you how easy it is with Diaflow. I'll create an app that lets you upload images of receipt. The AI will extract the information and automatically fill in the data fields for you. Now let's get started. First, I'll create a blank table in Diaflow table. I need the AI to extract data such as customer name, address, phone number, date, description. All right, the table is set up. Now I'll build the flow. The initial flow always has two nodes. The trigger represents the user's request, and the output is the AI's response. In this case, I'll set the input as a file, which is the image of the receipt you need to upload. Here you need to convert the PDF to an image file so the AI can read it. Now, I'll instruct the AI to analyze the extracted data and place it into the correct fields. Choose JSON formatter to structure the data and make it machine readable. The image source is the previous node. Extracting fields I need is customer name, address, phone number, date, description. Select the Diaflow table I just created to input this data into the table. Similarly, set the input. The output will return text, value from the nearest node. Now I'll test it with an image. Here's my receipt. Upload it here and execute. Now just wait for the result. You can see the information here is 100% accurate and complete, or you can check the table to see the results. The data is neatly organized into different fields. The final step is to export it as a complete app for easier use. You can customize the app interface here according to your preference. Let's try it one more time. Here's the final result. And that's it. You can also build a similar app. Thank you for watching.